Hi, good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes,
Good morning, ma'am.
yeah,
Good morning, ma'am.
very good morning. Yes, today 30 table, no?
Ma'am, 30.
Yeah. Yes, tell Harivardhan.
31 are 30, 32 are 60, 33 are 90, 34 are 120, 35 are 150, 36 are 180, 37 are 210, 38 are 210, 240, 30 tens are 39s are 270, 30 tens are 300.
300. Yes, good. Then, Sindhu, tell the table.
Yes, ma'am. 31s are 30, 32s are 60, 33s are 90, 34s are 120, 35s are 150, 36 are 180, 37s are 210, 38s are 240, 39s are 270, 30 tens are 300.
Good. Raj,
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can you see me?
yeah, tell.
31s are 30, 32s are 60, 33s are 90, 34s are 120, 35s are 150, 36s are 180, 37s are 210, 38s are 240, 39s are 270, 30 tens are 300.
Yes, good. Cold. Drink some hot water.
Okay, ma'am.
Mahantesh,
31 to 30, 32 to 60, 33 is 90, 34 is 120, 35 is 150, 36 is 180, 37 is 37 is 210, 38 is 240, 39 is 270, 30 10 is 300.
good. Gargi,
Yes, ma'am. 31s are 30, 32s are 60, 33s are 90, 34s are 120, 35s are 150, 36s are 180, 37s are 210, 38s are 240, 39s are 270, 30 tens are 300.
good. Wait, stay here only. I just call two students, Shreya and Adarsh. Can you see the screen? Yes, it's visible.
Yes, ma'am. It's
Yeah,
visible.
yes. Okay, yesterday up to example 12. Is it completed? 12? 12 also completed. And up to 14 also completed?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes. So now I have to start 8.5 exercise first main. Okay, so you know that first we have to arrange these in a place value table. After you can add. Clear? So I just do now. Okay, I just mentioned the place values. Okay, so this one I just mentioned tens, tens, hundreds, thousands, after decimal point. This one after decimal point. So this one ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. That's enough. Okay, so you can observe first problem I just do now. So first problem, so 0.0 is in ones place. So 0 is in ones place, and another after decimal point, so 0 is in tens place. Then again another one 0 is in hundreds place, and 7 is in thousands place. Then next one 8.5 is there. 8 is in ones place, 5 is in tens place. Then 30.08. So 3 is in tens place, 0 is in ones place. So here decimal point is there. So it means 0 is in tens place and 8. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it means you must uh, place the values in the place value table. After you can add. So through this one you will get the out of out marks. Clear? So now we have to add. 7 is there, 7 only. 8 plus 0 is 8. 5 plus 0 means 5. Then 8 plus 0 means 8. 3 is there, 3. Then what is the answer? 38.587. This is the answer. Is there any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Yes, solve as per. So you must place the values in the place value table and add and write down the answer. Write it fast. Yes, is it completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Good. Out of out student is here. Very good.
Ma'am, I am writing.
Yeah, write down fast. Those who are completed, you can solve next problem. Like this, you have to make a place value table and just place the values. After you can add. Is it completed now?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, completed.
Good. So here there is no values means 0 is there. Okay, don't confuse.
Ma'am, I got the answer for the B question.
Is good. Then first one is completed. All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Shreya, Sindhu, Mahantesh, Yuvraj,
Can you explain again?
Adarsh. Okay, look at here. So you must place the values. You know that here 0.07 is there, no ma. So first one 0, which place? 0, ones place. You must mention in ones place. Okay, then after decimal point 0 is there. So that is in the tens place. Then another one 0 is there. So that is in hundreds place. Then 7 is in thousands place. Understood? Yes. So next one, 8.5 is there. 8 is in ones place and 5 is in tens place. You just substitute the values in the place value table. And 30.08 is there. So 30 in the 3 is in tens place. Then 0 is in ones place. And again 0 is there. So 0 is in tens place and 8 is in hundreds place. You just add. So 7, there is no value means you just take down 7 only. Then 8 plus 0 means 8. 5 plus 0 means 5. 8 plus 0 is 8. 3. So answer is 38.587. Is there any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Yes. In this manner you can solve next problem. Is it over? First problem, is it completed or not?
Ma'am, first problem is completed.
Yes. What about others?
Yes, ma'am. It's
Completed,
complete.
ma'am.
I completed.
Okay, done. Mm. Okay. So next problem. Look at here. So B problem I am solving now. 15 is there. 15 means 1 is in tens place, 5 is in ones place. Isn't it? So next one. Next one, 0.632. 0 is in ones place, then point 6 means is in tens place, then 3 is in hundreds place, and 2 is in thousands place. Thousands. Then 13.8 is there. So 13 means, so 1 is in tens place, so 3 is in ones place, ones. Then 8 is in tens place. You just add these. There is no value means you just put down as it is. So 6 plus 8, how much?
14.
14.
14.
Good. 14. 1 carry. So 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 0, 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. So 1 plus 1 is 2. Good. So what is the answer? So 29.432. Good. Write down.
Ma'am, I got the correct answer.
Good. Yes, ma'am.
Even me, mom.
Good. Yes, it's completed. Second one. Is it over?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, you can try. Next problem. Is it completed, all of you?
yes, mom.
Okay. Okay, next problem. 27. So 20. So 27.076. Okay, so next one is 0.55. 0.55. Okay, another one. So 0.004. You can add these. 6 plus 4, how much?
10.
Good. So 10, 1 carry. So 7 plus 6, sorry. 5 plus 1 is
Mom, six.
6. Okay, 6 plus 7.
13.
6 plus 7 is
Mom,
13.
11.
Hmm?
First is
Sorry, 13.
13.
Ma'am, 13.
Yeah, one carry. 5 plus 1.
6.
6.
Good. 7 as it is. You just put. Then 2. Then what is the answer? 27.630.
27.630.
Understood? This is the answer. Is there any doubt?
No, ma'am, no doubt.
Okay, good.
No doubt, ma'am.
Yes. It's over.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What about others? Others?
Ma'am, completed.
Mahantesh, Sindhu, Shreya. Yes, ma?
Completed, ma'am.
Yes, good. Yuvraj?
I'm completed.
Okay, done. All of you completed? So
Yes,
next
ma'am.
one. So next problem. Fourth one. So fourth one. 25.65. Here point is there, no? So you just remember that one. So then 9.005, then 3.7. You can add. So 5, take it as it is. Then 5 is there. 6 plus 7. 6 plus 7, 13. 1 carry. 3 plus 1 is 4. 9 plus 4 is
13.
13. Yeah, 13 plus 5.
18.
Good. 2 plus 1 is 3. What is the
3.
answer?
30. 355.
38.355. This is the answer. Understood?
Ma'am, I got the correct answer.
Good. Is it finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you written this one?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Others?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So next problem. E problem. So I just show another one method here. Okay. Look at here. I just mentioned point. Okay. Look at here. E problem I am showing now. 0 you must mention. After decimal point 7 is there and 5. Then point you just put here point. So beside here ones place 0, tens place 1. Then 4 is in tens place. Then hundreds place 2 is there. Thousands place. Then 2 is in ones place. 2 means 2.0000. So 2 is in ones place. There is no value means you can put like this also. That's it. So here answer is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 4 is 11. 2 plus 1 is 3. 1 as it is. Then 13.175 is the answer. This is the direct method. Is there any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Yes, write down.
Completed, ma'am.
Good. All of you completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Sindhu, Yuraj, Adarsh,
Ma'am, I
Shreya.
completed right.
Ma'am, I completed.
Yes.
Ma'am, I completed.
Completed,
Yes,
ma'am.
all of you. Yes. Okay. So then in the first main last problem is there. So point, I just put here point. So here, so 280.69. Then I just put here point 25.2. Then 38 means 38.00. You just add 9, 6 plus 2 is 8, 8 plus 5 is 13. So 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 plus 3 is 13, 13 plus 1 is 14, 1 carry, 2 plus 1 is 3. What is the answer? 343.89 is the answer. This is the direct method. Is it understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I got the correct answer. Ma'am, I completed right.
Yes.
Even me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Completed, ma'am.
Good. All of you completed this one?
Correct
Yes.
answer.
Very good. Yes. Over. All of you?
Ma'am, I got correct answer.
Very good, ma'am. So second question. So Rashid spent 35.75 rupees for maths book and 32.60 for science book. Find the total amount spent by Rashid. Yes, what we have to do?
Addition.
Very good. Maths book. For maths book, he spent 35.75 rupees. Then science book, 32.60. You just add total amount, how much is spent. So that one we have to find out. So it means you just add. So 5 plus 0 means 5. 7 plus 6 means 13 point as it is. So 1 carry. 5 plus 2 is
7,
7 plus 1 is
8,
8. 3 plus 3 6. Total
6,
amount is 68 rupees 35 paise. Otherwise 68.35 rupees. Understood? This is second question answer.
Ma'am, I completed. I got the same answer.
Very good. Write down fast.
Ma'am, I completed writing.
Ma'am, this method is too easy.
Yes. That's why I just explained both methods by using place value chart. Another one is the direct method. Which one is easy to do? You can utilize use that one. Clear?
Ma'am, ma'am, it will be tough, right? And writing in the place value chat for you.
Okay.
Because you're writing in your fingers, right?
So here you must observe the point, decimal point. After you can place the values and add. This is very easy. But be careful here. Be conscious. While you are placing the values, be conscious.
Ma'am,
Here.
I got the next problem's answer.
Yes, good. So this problem, second one answer completed all of you.
Yes, ma'am. Completed.
Yes. Sindhu, Adarsh, Mahantesh, Shreya, Gargi, Yuraj. Is it completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Good. So next problem. Third one. Okay, look at here. Radhika's mother gave her 10 rupees 10 rupees 50 paise, otherwise 10.50 rupees, and her father gave her 15 rupees 80 paise or 15.80 rupees. Find the total amount given to Radhika by the parents. So it means Radhika's mother, how much amount gave to her? So 10 rupees
10.50.
50, 10 rupees 50 paise rupees. So this is the Indian currency symbol. Okay.
Correct answer. Can I say?
Wait.
Ma'am, even I
I
got
also know.
the answer.
All of you got the correct answer.
Yes, ma'am.
So mother gave to her 10 rupees
50 paise.
10.50. Then from further rupees
Ma'am, 18.80.
8 plus
no.
5, 13.
Yeah, 15.80 ma. So 8 plus 5 how much?
13.
13.
So 1 carry no. So 5 plus 1. Its response
6.
me first. 5 plus 1. 1
6.
plus 1.
2.
Yeah, total
26.50.
amount is yeah
26.3.
30.
26.30.
26.30. Otherwise 26 rupees 30 paise. Yes, just write down. All of you got the same answer. Correct answer.
I got the correct
Yes,
answer.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I
Very
got the
good.
correct answer.
26.30.
Very good, ma. Correct answer.
26.30 as 26.3, no ma'am.
Yeah, there is no issue. Yes, of course. Both are same. 26.3 also equal to 26.30. It is also equal to 26.300. Don't bother about that one. But when you got 26.03, you must mention the zero value. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood? Yeah. So next one, fourth problem. Is it completed? All of you?
Next problem's answer also, ma'am.
Yes. Is it over?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. So next problem. Nasreen bought 3 meter, then 20 centimeter cloth for her shirt. Okay. Then 2 meter, then 5 centimeter cloth for her trouser. Find the total length of cloth bought by her.
I got
Listen
answer.
Yes. Listen carefully. Here there is no value means zero is there.
Ma'am, can I say the answer?
125 meter.
Yes.
Can I say the answer?
You just tell the answer. I just note down here. You
Ma'am,
please right or wrong after.
5.25.
Ma'am, 5.25 meter.
Yes. Good right answer.
5 meter.
Yes. Any other answer is there? Good right answer, ma. This one. Yes, I just do now. Listen carefully. 5 plus 0 means 5. So 2 plus 0 means 2. This is centimeter. Then 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 meter, 25 centimeter. So this one you can write it as in meter means you know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Then 1 centimeter is equal to 1 divided by 100 meter. This is the formula. You just remember. Then through that 25 centimeter, you can write it as 0.25 meter. Can you understand what I am telling?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, isn't it? So that's why. So it will become 5 meter. Take it as it is. So 25 divided by 100, it will become, it's also in meter, then it becomes 0.25, then we can directly write it as 5.25 meter. Is there any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No
Yes,
doubt,
you
ma'am.
must remember this formula. Okay, 5.25 meter. Yes, just write down.
Completed, ma'am. Ma'am, I
Good.
Ma'am,
completed.
completed, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, Shreya, yes, tell ma 30 table.
Ma'am, now 30 and
Now only.
30.
Some students are writing now, that's why.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I have 5 minutes, ma'am. Can you give me 5 minutes? I'll just
Yeah,
practice
wait,
some
wait,
more.
wait. Okay, done. Then Adarsh, are you ready?
Ma'am, I'm writing. Wait, ma'am. Few minutes.
Okay.
Give the racket.
Yes, is it over? All of you?
Yes, ma'am, completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Good.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Shreya and Sindhu, over. Is it completed, ma?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can I tell the tables
Yes,
now?
ma'am.
Yes, tell.
30 ones are 30, 30 twos are 60, 30 threes are 90, 30 fours are 120, 30 fives are 150, 36 are 180, 37 are 210, 37 are 270, 30, sorry,
Huh?
38
38
are
za. Hmm.
38 are 240, 39 are 270, 30 tens are 300.
Good. Then others, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, tell.
30, 30, 32 are 60, 33 are 90, 34 are 120, 35 are 150, 36 are 180, 37 are 210, 38 are 240, 39 are 270, 30 are 300.
Very good. So tomorrow I just start 0 reverse. It means you must tell 0 tens are 0. I want every day's homework. You must do this homework and you must take the photos and send to me in the WhatsApp only. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
everyone's homework I want. And also you must write, so every day 0 tens are 0 backward. Then you must write here 0 nines are 0. Like this, you must write 3 times every day. You must write this homework and send to me. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes.
ma'am. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
I want. And remember, okay, look at here. You know how to solve these problems. Based on that, I just give three homeworks, three problems homework. Okay, fifth, sixth, seventh. Three problems. Take it as homework. So evening, when you free at that moment, you can complete the homework and send the photos. Clear? Okay, every day exact 6 o'clock I just take the class. Be alert. Don't be late. Okay, come
Ma'am,
early. Exact.
ma'am, in
Yes, ma'am.
tomorrow morning class, will you discuss these three questions answer?
I just discuss and move. Next subtraction of decimals, I just discuss. Yes, of course. Again, I just
O-
discuss these three problems and I just move on. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, exact time all should attend the class. Don't miss. And you just inform to your friends, isn't it? Yeah? Then some students already paid this month fees, others have to pay. Please inform to your parents. Okay, and also you just inform to your friends also, and in all over the Karnataka and all over the India. So sixth standard, wherever your friends, relatives is there, you can inform state syllabus or CBSE or NCRT. It means okay, state and central syllabus also I can manage. It means in this syllabus only. Okay, you can inform to those students.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, they can
O-
attend this class. This is online, no, there is no issue. That's why.
Okay, ma'am.
Now morning session, morning maths class. How you are all feeling now?
Ma'am, it's very good, ma'am.
Ma'am, very
Yes,
good.
yes. It's running morning session successfully. Very good.
Ma'am, fresh
All
and
are
ready
wake
to
up
attend your
early.
class.
Yes, ma.
Ma'am, fresh and ready to attend your class every day.
Very good. And all wake up early in the morning. It's very good habit, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I wake up at
Yes.
5:40 to learn the tables and get ready for the class.
Yes, very good. Very good. Be active. Okay. Yes. Take care. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Have a nice day. Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Send the zero table.
Yes, Telma?
Ma'am, when are we supposed to send the zero table?
Yes, of course. Three times you must write reverse. It means first you must start from 0 times the 0, after 0 9 the 0. Okay, like this you just write three times and send to me. And also you must solve homework problems.
Now?
Yeah, if you are free means you can do that one. Otherwise, after completion of your school, you can do that one.
Okay, ma'am.
When you free at that moment. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, take care. Bye.
You can send it.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye. Bye.